Hi everyone and welcome back to another episode of STC BTN. Today I'll be taking a look at the Year 8 launch date for their big project for this term, with the driving question, how can people and technology improve our local area? The students started off the day by watching the 2040 documentary before taking part in workshops where wonderful presenters shared their experience with technology and how it's helping them in their everyday careers.
We've done with working in a joint project with the University of New South Wales, is figured out a way to add different chemical additives and treat it in a certain way that then it can be recycled at an effective rate that's commercially viable.
If you put yourself sort of out there, then you never really know what comes around the corner for you.
The heart of our service is our database. So our database, which can be found on our website, has between 10 and 14,000 products available for sale in Australia.
So you've got two different kinds of plastic in a plastic water bottle. The lids, companies like Lids for Kids are turning these like tiny plastic bottle lids and turning them into like prosthetic limbs for children. So if you think about how plastic can be used in other ways, you can essentially melt it down and turn it into anything. And then really big clothing companies like Adidas, Patagonia, they're turning lots of plastic waste into shoes, athletic clothing, that sort of thing. So that's pretty cool. Take these ideas with you when you're going through with your projects. Consider maybe creating something out of something else rather than, mining something out of the ground.
The most recent use of our drones was through the bushfires. We thought, how can we use this beyond the beach?
And we use these drones to identify injured wildlife, so koalas, kangaroos, endangered species.
Thank you for watching this episode of STC BTN. I know the Year 8s had a great launch day and can't wait to get into their project and learn many more new things.